Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on VIVO X300. Let's begin! So, first of all, in order to fix any bugs or smaller issues related to your Wi-Fi, all you want to do is just disable it. Just for a moment. You can leave it disabled for about 15 seconds, maybe 30, and after that you can enable it back. And with that, congratulations, you have rebooted your Wi-Fi module inside your phone. And that should clear out any smaller or just very tiny bugs. However, there is a very high chance that this did nothing to you. And if that's the case, we want to press and hold onto the Wi-Fi icon and go into more Wi-Fi settings. And now we want to do something that's called repairing or reconnecting with our network. So we want to remove the network from the memory of our device and then connect to it once again. We can do that by going into the arrow here and then just deleting the network. And now, as you can see, our phone basically will behave like it never connected to that network in the first place. We want to navigate it one more time. And now we can input its password, or alternatively you can scan the QR code with the password from, for example, some sort of family member inside your home, or co-worker or something like that. So after you have inputted your password, you can just go into OK, and congratulations, you have paired with your password with your network once again. And did that do anything? Well, that should clear out any additional bugs. However, if that still didn't do anything, and if you still have no Wi-Fi whatsoever, then unfortunately it's time to actually start paying attention not to our phone, but instead to the router itself. Now, I can't really show you this from obvious reasons, because there are many different models of the routers, but what you want to do is you want to check if, for example, LEDs aren't flashing red, or something like that is something not unusual happening, and if not, you can just unplug it from electricity. Seriously, you can just unplug it, make it turned off for maybe few minutes, maybe 3 minutes or something, and then you want to plug it once more time, and after you do that, we should have our nice router rebooted. And with that, of course, the rebooting of the router takes some time, it can even take a very long time, but usually that is enough for you to just do whatever you want to do. And technically that is all for this video, but sometimes there is just some sort of situation that even rebooting the router itself doesn't do anything, and if that's the case, well, I'm sorry, but you just have to contact your internet provider. I actually had certain situations like this recently, when the router just randomly died for half a day, and no matter how many times restarted the router, rebooted my phone, nothing was really helping, until I called the internet provider, and then they told me that there's some sort of breakage in my area and there's nothing I can do about it. Only they can do something about it, and they actually did, a couple of hours later, but they did. So yeah, one more time, you can just disable or enable Wi-Fi to quickly reboot the Wi-Fi, then you can unpair and repair with your connection with your network. Finally, you can reboot your router, and after that you can just call the internet provider and ask them if anything is going okay in your location. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.